Hey everybody, it's Matthew, and I am sharing one of Mr. Domestic's quick tips, where I still spread joy and positivity through sewing and fabric play, just in a more condensed version. This video is all about English paper piecing, and I'm going to show you the 3 primary stitches that I use in almost all of my English paper piecing. So stick around and have some fun with me. Yay! This video is going to be a condensed version of some of my English paper piecing videos, where I show you 3 different common EPP stitches in one place. And then I have longer videos that will be in the description here if there's one that really tickles your fancy and you want to learn more about it. So this first one is the whip stitch, and you stitch it like the spiral of a notebook, just getting right on the edge. Just trying to catch that lip of fabric right there, like that, and you keep going. And that's the one that I use for the most part. And then the next one is called the flat back stitch. I only use it in curves, but people who use it swear by it. And you flatten the pieces. You could put a clip here. You could use some tape. But see, the entry point's a little bit different. You're catching a little bit of the back. Can't see it in the front, see? And you go that way. Directionally, it's the same as the whip stitch. It's just the entry and the exit are different. Here. Do it one more time. Just so that you can see. See? Can't see it. And then the third one is the invisible feather stitch, and it's kind of like a hybrid of the two, but like the flat back, but you're not going to catch the second one. So you're going to zigzag. I always have to rotate it just because I always go that way whenever I stitch. And then this one, I'm only getting one. I'm not getting the second one. And then out. And it's kind of like a zipper or a feather. See? And either of the final two, the flat back or the invisible feather, you don't see the stitches in the front. But I don't really see the stitches in the front with the whip stitch, and it's more mindless and I don't have to think. That's why that's the one that I use. And for these two, I really, really have to focus. So choose your love in the stitch department and try all 3, and you'll find the one that really works for you. So hopefully this condensed version really helps. 3 stitches. Woo woo! Yay! Now you have at least gotten a taste of the 3 stitches for English paper piecing. You can explore either my videos or the other videos out there on the interweb to learn and see a more in-depth version of each of the 3. So if you enjoyed this video, got a laugh or a tip or a trick, make sure to give it the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Keep it positive, y'all. Mr. Domestic out.